What's up, guys? Eddie, got a question for you guys. What is it that you guys need right now in your business? What is holding you back? What is stopping your business from growing? What is the hardest thing that you're having trouble with in your business? It can be leads generation, traffic, sales development or sales team development, website development. What are those things that are hindering your growth in your business? Everybody has something. I've been there several times over going, man, I can make this happen, but I need this. What is that thing that's stopping you? What is it? Let me know. We have a team to help you guys with all of that stuff and more. Those of you who are just getting into affiliate marketing and network marketing, all those things, we have a program for you guys. This is a killer program. I'm crushing my goal right now. Crushing it. You know how I'm crushing it? With a program that I've found. Have you ever noticed that you find those programs and there are people like, man, I made 75,000 my first month. I made 30 grand my first month. Congratulations. Okay, that's good. I'm happy for those people. But you know what? They found those programs when they were first available. This is your first available. How am I crushing it? Because I found this program. I want you guys to get into this program so you can be crushing it. But if you sit down and don't want to do it and you want to think about, well, maybe I'll wait till it comes out. Be like the rest of us who have done affiliate marketing, network marketing, and haven't got anywhere. Because this 2 and 3 year old program is all washed up. And the markets are flooded. And now the money's gone. You're picking up crumbs off the bottom of the ocean. And those guys were killing, whales and sharks up on the big top water. Playing with the big fish. Don't be a crustacean. Jump on board every opportunity that comes your way. Check it out. Maybe it's not a fit for you. That's fine. This isn't for everybody. But for the ones that it's right for, you're going to be swimming with the big fish, just like I am. We have very few limited spots because this is not a major program. Even the big dogs that are out there, I'm not going to name names, but you guys can look at them. Multi-millionaires doing these products that have been out for years. Look at their success stories. They took in their first 50, the first 100, and they ran with them. They didn't take in 1,000 people and turn into every 1,000 of these people into a success story. They took it in limited spots. If you guys want in, message me, comment below. We're going to make it happen. Whatever you guys need, I'm here for you guys. But we've got to get to work right now. I'm up all the time. Whatever you guys need, I'll stay up day and night to help you guys. I enjoy it. Let's do it. Let's make it happen. I hope you guys succeed. This is my plan. This is my goal. I want to see you succeed. I want to give you my hand. I want to give you my network. I want to help you in your life. Any way that I can. Comment below. Let's get to work, guys.